What's up guys, Rick with RallySport Direct here and welcome to another episode of What's in the Box. Today we've got the Nameless Performance Muffler Delete Axle Back Exhaust System specific for the Subaru WRX and STI 2019 Plus. So, what makes these things special? Well, the fact that they're an easy replacement, they look fantastic, and they're gonna sound amazing. So let's dive into it. First up, full stainless steel construction. Everything's going to fit just like stock, utilizing the factory hanger locations. Absolutely love the Nameless Performance badge on there, nice little touch. And then of course the quad staggered neochrome tips is really the showpiece of this exhaust. And the fact that they're gonna be bigger than stock is really gonna help fill out those big ugly gaps in the rear bumper where your factory exhaust tips sit. Then the sound. The factory mufflers do a fantastic job of ruining the sound of the Boxer engine, and this is going to let the engine sing its true tone, which is a beautiful one, and without being overly loud or overly obnoxious, and it doesn't delete any emissions devices, so it is 100% road legal. Plus, you're getting rid of some much unneeded weight off the back of your car as well. This thing is pretty light. Now, absolutely all around beautiful exhaust, comes with all the hardware you're gonna need to install it and can easily be done in your driveway in under an hour without a problem. If you guys are interested in this, make sure to check the link below. And of course, we do have these available for other years as well, so don't fret. I highly recommend these if you're wanting to bring out the sound and have your Subaru look better as well. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.